Yahoo! Prof here. And we have another Tag Team 10. This was the one I was missing. This is the Pikachu and Zekrom GX tin. I had... Here's your options here. I had a Snorlax and Eevee. Dope. I had actually got 2 Venusaur and Celebies. And 0 of those. Well, a couple more of these came in. I got 2 of Zekrom and Pikachu, and 1 more Venusaur and Celebi. So if you guys have any need, I guess, or want to buy one off me or something, they're probably still here. I got 2 of the Venusaur and Celebis and 1 of the Zekrom and Pikachus. So, and I generally don't open, especially brand new, 2 of the same tin. I have 0 need for that. So, plenty of other things to do. So, if some of you are interested, hit me up. Generally, best way for that. Do check the comments, but quickest and best way for stuff like that is always Twitter at the Prophecyst. It's also where soon there will be a code in here. You can go and get that. Just hit me up there. Tell me which one you're looking for, whether it's the tin code or any of the booster packs, and I'll send her over to you. Some of the deck ones I keep, but that's usually about it. So let's get into this. Hamlet has just shown up to the right here. I think he's trying to find a way over. Hey, Hamlet, that's my off my Pokemon map. Hamlet, I understand you want attention. Thank you. Not right now, Hamlet. Alright. Well, Hamlet is here and I somehow got his attention. Alright, let's... Easiest way to slice these open is right along this back edge here. And he's just climbed the chair. And you'll probably be seeing him shortly. Really, Hamlet? Alright, let's pop this lid. This is the one of the 3 that I was actually most pumped about. Like the Snorlax and Eevee, least pumped about the Venusaur and Celebi, which is, of course, the one I got the most of. And you don't really... I got these off Amazon. Unless you go through like a third-party seller, or it's been a while after release. On the release ones or the pre-orders, you do not get to choose which one. Because the 3 are, like, imagine they ship in a box. You're buying, the SKU is an item from said box. So, they do not let you choose which one. Hamlet, you're climbing my shoulder now. This is not cool. Oh, these are a pain in the butt to get out. Alright, so, here, this is the contents right there. And these are not Amazon warehouse deals or anything, but this one's got a bit of a dent on the tin. I'm not too worried about that. Let's pop that right over there. So here's our contents. And the code cards on the back. So, and like here I can show you it in a bit here. Jeez. Hamlet really wants attention, guys. Here is the code card. If you guys are interested, like I said, hit me up via Twitter. And Hamlet. Here is what the Pikachu and Zekrom GX Tag Team looks like. Look at that sleeved up. I'll be happy to... It's super duper hollow. Like one of those ones with like the texture on it. I don't even know what the term is for those, but the It's kind of flat for one of those, to be truthful. But, because a lot of those, like, really pop. Then we've got one of these old big, chonky, metal GX tag team things. I already have 2 opened up. So I'll probably sleeve this guy in the black sleeves, just to keep her nice and clean. I also threw those big ones, if I recall, and that might be why some of the plastic coins that were down there, it took a bit of a hit. You know what? His ear is even turned back, guys. Like he's acting crazy. In here, sorry, we have 1 foil card. That was the Pikachu and Zekrom. And then we have 4 boosters, 1 Take Team GX marker, and 1 online code. So we already got the online code, the promo card, and the GX tag. And then we have our boosters right here. I really hope we get something good, because the previous video that I shot, not necessarily the one that you'll see, because I don't always know what order these go up in, was I got an Amazon warehouse. Out. Damn it. Excuse me. I got an Amazon warehouse. What are those things called? Collector's chest. It's the launch box, and I freaking struck up. So we got Crimson Invasion, cool. Burning Shadows, cool. Sun and Moon, cool. Steam Siege. I've actually been really digging Steam Siege because I got some cool cards in there, like ones that don't make sense to be Steam Siege. Like I didn't realize they were in there until I had a couple of real good pulls. So. Wish me luck. First up, we have Crimson Invasion, because might as well just do it in the order they stuck them in there. That is super stuck together. We got our online card, standard 1, 2, 3. Let's see what we can get here. We got a Mawile I just got in the previous collector's chest lunchbox tin, reverse hollow one of those. Alolan Graveler, dude, one of these in true hollow would be nice. Starveria, I think. Or no, Staravia. Staravia? I'm guessing that because aviaria is bird. Or avian. Hamlet! He's being a turd, guys. He's now going where all the pins are and a bunch of other Pokemon stuff, and he's like rolling it. Oh gosh. Here. I will show you this. Here's this crate. Dude. Hamlet, come here. Yeah, he is down there. He went in that last cubby. He's now rubbing his face on the Gorilla Pod. I know, I starve my cat for attention, don't I? Like, I never give it to him. You guys don't see in like every video me just petting the ever-living bejesus out of him, do you? You definitely don't see that, huh? Right? Nope. Now he's all full of plastic. Well, that's his problem. Yeah, he definitely doesn't get enough attention, right guys? Definitely not. Look at that dude go. Alright, damn it. Getting back to what I was doing. Okay, we got a Jing Mo. I just said one of those too. I like this Mankey. It's very simple, but I like it. It reminds me of like, I think it's probably Vector, but it reminds me of like Mankey done in paint. Remoraid, I don't remember ever having that guy. Magikarp, followed by being chased by the Mecha Magikarp. Stuffle. Reverse Hollow Jigglypuff. Not bad actually. I'll take that. Followed by an Cavalier? Escaliver? Wow, my brain should be able to read that one. and a... It is pretty late for me, guys. I'm literally... I shouldn't be doing this box this late. But the last one was such a friggin' disappointment that... Now he's just... You can probably hear it. He's just ramming those plastic innards from the tin we're currently pulling. Just headbutting it all. Because I'm not giving him attention. You know, you guys didn't totally see me just give him attention, right? Alright, let's take a whiff of this guy. A little on the sweeter side for these packs. Alright, we got Burning Shadows. Burning Shadows is usually pretty good, Oh, we got the white online card. That's usually a decent start. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we got Metapod. Pretty good Metapod. Not all Metapods are. This is better than average for a Metapod. Got bodybuilding dumbbells. I think I've picked those before. Got a Rhydon. I think Rhydon was always a thing. I always only remember Rhyhorn though. Riolu. He's looking fast. He's looking real fast. Meowth. See, it's another one that, like, that might make that's even big. Like, those stairs would be too wide for a human. Like, assuming that wall's at a specific height. Otherwise, they're not wide enough if you're thinking Meowth side. Also, those are planters on the wall. You and your brain have a general understanding of how big planters are. So, like, Meowth's the right size, but they did not scale everything else correctly. I wonder if this is the same illustrator. I'll have to give it attention. This kind of bugs me. Alolan Vulpix. This is a freaking cute one. That'd be pretty awesome as a holo. Wimpod. Togedemaru. Just so happy. Roly Poly. Yeah, I always imagine him just bouncing with how happy he is. Oh, and we got a Bouffalant. Reverse holo, followed by... There you go. Alolan Muck GX. That is a pull. That Muck is like freaking Miami crazy rainbow colors. You see that? Like blue, pink, green, yellow, Muck. Followed by a fairy energy, which I don't often get. That is a pull though. And it's not one of those crazy, it's just a standard holo GX card. Not those like ribbed, you know, like the I thought this was in a sleeve already. Derp. That one. It's got like the lines in it to make it extra reflecty. Sun and Moon. Probably, I'm not going to say least favorite, but not one of my preferred packs. Standard Sun and Moon. And I done cocked it up. Ooh, Togedemaru. White online card. I can hope for the best then. Hopefully. Okay, we got a Spinda. I had a lot of these starting out. Spinda. Aqua. We have a cat puking. I need to deal with this. And I'm back. Sorry, I guess that you had to hear that, sort of. Yeah. It was plants of some kind, not grass. It's a bit thicker than that. So, yeah. Cats. Doing cat things in this video. Aquarinid. There you go, Aquarium, and then the Arachnid. There you go. Rare Candy. Togedemaru. This is just as happy, just skipping through the grass. With him being a foot high, that actually might be the correct perspective. Not that I'm like stuck on that, but like, I mean, like, make it close. Especially when they're like really close stuff. Stuffle. Mariani? Marini? Jupiter. Bone Sweet. And we have a reverse hollow Krogunk. I think I might have this one already. Followed by, oh, that's freaking badass. Freaking Kangaskhan hollow. Look at that. He's a freaking badass, dude. Water energy. Like, it's going up. Like, you know, he's going Super Saiyan, you know, and then it's got whoosh. It's a pretty good hollow. Sometimes they do meh for hollows. Usually the electric ones are dope. This one is pretty freaking hot if you ask me. Alright. That was Sun and Moon. The last one is Steam Siege. Had some pretty cool stuff come out of Steam Siege lately. Let's hope for the best. I completely... I don't know how I ripped the front of the pack and not got in it. It's called skill, guys. It's called fucking skill. Got the green online. Let's hope for the best here. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we got a Flappy. Flappy's alright. Be down with a Flappy. More of a Marika. Steelix Spirit Link. I actually have a Steelix. I don't think I have a Mega Steelix though. Shieldon, Krogunk, Tangela, back down, Dino, Chimchar, Rufflet, Reverse Hollow Joltik. I might actually already have one of these two. That one looks pretty dope though, because he's yellow, it's hollow. We got a Spiritomb, and see, that's one where you don't want to do 4. See, I never remember that. Alright, well, that's definitely it for the night. And let's take a look at the pulls, because, you know, if you're like me, you've already forgotten. Alright, and here are pulls. Starting out with what wasn't a pull, really. This is the promo card in the box. The one that I really wanted. Pikachu and Zekrom GX Tag Team. Looking hot and spicy there. Okay, we got a Jigglypuff Reverse Hollow. May or may not have that. I really need to get these cards sorted. Like, I'm running out of places to put them. And I gotta build a computer this weekend. Then we have a Bouffalant Reverse Hollow. And then we have the pull, probably, of the tin. The Alolan Muck GX, which is not as fancy as some, but man, that muck is mad crazy. All those colors. We have a Krogunk Reverse Hollow. Pretty sure I've rocked that before. This badass Hollow Kangaskhan, in my opinion. Followed by this Reverse Hollow Joltik, which I'm pretty sure I have. Either way, though, I think it works well. Not as good as some of the electric Reverse Hollows, but as you've seen before, I am partial to my electric hollows. Which probably isn't fair, but whatever, right? Come on. Well, if you guys are interested in any of these online codes, hit me up over on Twitter at the Prof. Let me know what you're looking for, whether it's tin or, you know, one of the boosters. I will do my best to meet your needs. You know, if you like this video, subscribe, hit the notify. We're small, really help me out if you guys do, you know, stick around, check this out. I mean, otherwise, throw down a comment down below. Let me know how we can improve, all that fun stuff. This was much better pulls than the previous video for me, so yeah, I might just not sound as excited because I'm tired. I need sleep. So I'm gonna go do that, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.